Dear investor, hope you all are staying safe during this current pandemic COVID-19. Since videos and webinars have become a new normal, use and follow the social distancing, I take this opportunity to introduce a new feature which is introduced in ICICI Direct called one-click portfolio, which is very interesting to know for everyone in ICICI Direct. This one-click portfolio can be used for a short-term trading and as well as for a very long-term organic investing. So, in this video, I will take you the quick tour about a one-click portfolio in ICICI Direct. Click a login button. Log in with your user ID and password. This one-click portfolio is launched in a new ICICI Direct website. This iDirect one-click portfolio. So after you successfully log into this website, so there is a link called equity. Under the equity, we have enabled the feature called iDirect one-click. Click this iDirect one-click. iDirect one-click is a one-click portfolio, which is a small pack of stocks. Basically, we have a portfolio like pharma, IT, and small caps. What does this says is, it's post-COVID. You all know, we are doing a work from home concept. Basically, the technology has to be supported. So based on this view, we have launched a portfolio called Digital Avatar. So in a post-COVID world, there will be increasing number of business going digital, which will act as a strong tailwind for companies in this universe. Basically, post-COVID, work from home, digital is going to get boom. So as an investor or a trader, we have to we all know there might be a good jump in these technology companies, so we can go and buy the technology companies. Now the billion-dollar question is that which technology company will do well, which company will not do well. So we does not know. Instead of going and selecting a single stock, you can go and buy a portfolio through this one-click portfolio feature. Now after we launched it, this digital avatar portfolio has been delivered a return of 18%. That means you invested a 1 lakh in this portfolio, it have delivered a 1 lakh and 18,000 rupees. Yeah, digital avatar. I'm clicking this digital avatar portfolio. You see which are all the stocks we have put it here. Bharti Airtel, Infosys, L&T, Larsen & Toubro Infotech Limited, Tata Communication, Tata Consultancy, and Tata Tech Mahindra Limited. And as well as we have selected the number of shares also in this portfolio. Let's say you invest 10,000 rupees, 2 stocks will go to Bharti Airtel, 1 stock will go to Infosys, 1 will go to Larsen & Toubro Infotech Limited. Like that, it has been proportionated. This overall portfolio cost 10,165 rupees as of today, and you can go this portfolio by the route of lump sum as well as SIP, month on month SIP or quarterly or yearly also you can select. Now we discuss about this lump sum link. You can click this lump sum and you can click invest now. So it will take you to the, if you click this invest now, yeah, correct. So in this one-click portfolio, we give informations. So about your portfolio, you can go and check this portfolio report. Why we are giving this portfolio? What is the rationale behind this? A methodology of selecting the stock, investment amount, risk, exposure, all this thing you can go through for your information. And you can select the performance also. You can see the performance of the portfolio. How much the portfolio was launched is somewhere between July. So right now the portfolio has been moved up. This is what all about. You can see the performance. I was trying to tell you, instead of you go and select a one single stock and whether it will move up or not, you don't need to bother about this one-click portfolio. You pick up a theme or you pick up a news We will launch the portfolio based on the coming development also. It will be communicated through over your email and as well as me. So you can go and buy the portfolio, and when we say to exit, you can exit also. Let's take an example what happened in the stock Bharti Airtel. 1 month before, it was trading at somewhere close to 520 rupees to 580 rupees. Now it has corrected to 480 rupees. If you would have put based on work from home, internet is the new norm, something like that, if you would have thought process, and if you go and buy this stock, would have been lost. And if you would have buy a one stock, would have been lost. But the same way, now the risk has been diversified in 4 or 5 companies, and the portfolios is delivered 18% when so likewise you can use this as a short-term opportunity and go and buy. Basically this will avoid you the single stock risk, and the risk gets diversified to the 5 or 6 stocks as a portfolio. You can buy, and you can hold it. When we say to exit, you can exit. After you bought, you can go here in my one click, you can see your portfolio. When it is active means you can continue the portfolio. When we are putting in a deactivate mode, you can go and sell a portfolio. It is very simple. Click the rural, click the portfolio what you bought, and then just click exit portfolio. In a one click you can enter and you can exit. Basically this is all about we giving a ready-made option of buying and selling based on the thematic or based on the development which is happening in the market. Uh, yeah, it is very easy. This one click portfolio will help you to make a quick money based on the recent developments in the market. And we have launched more than 40 to 45 portfolios in last 3 months. We'll continue to do that so in the coming periods. So it has a huge success. Investor has likened this concept. So you see the pharma, we have delivered a 3% return. And so we have many things. Mangal Arambam, we have somebody who wants to start new, so we give Mangal Arambam. So this portfolio has gold and Nifty ETF. So like that we have launched many things. I will request you to go and explore these options, and try when markets are down, try one portfolio and sell a portfolio when markets are going up. So any doubts, you can contact me at any given point in time. So, and one more example I want to tell you. So post COVID, what happened that people are not moving, people will be worried about virus and following a social distancing. So based on this thing, so we have launched the auto top gear portfolio. So where it is we given the Ashok Leyland, Hero, Mahindra and Maruti Suzuki. This portfolio has delivered a 13% return after we recommended. See, you also know post-COVID, social distancing, personal mobility rather than the public transport. So it is a norm. So when it is happened, which stock you have to buy? That is a question mark. So if you buy the stock, that stock didn't move up, that is a problem. Instead of taking that risk, we are giving you the portfolio based on our iDirect research. So we'll give you the set of stocks. You take 1 lakh rupees and put it in that. If it goes up 5 or 8%, you sell that portfolio. It's very simple. In a matter of 1 month, you make a quick money. This is all about one-click portfolio. So for this, we don't charge any fees, and as well as we don't do any subscription cost or something like that. It is a free of cost for our customers. It is only a normal transaction charges applicable to this one-click portfolio. Yeah, now I am stop sharing this screen. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. And if you have any queries on one-click portfolio, please feel free to call me. Thank you. Have a good day.